Good afternoon. 2012 Chevy Cruze, engine oil on the coolant. Usually it's water on the engine, coolant on the engine oil, but now this time it's engine oil on the coolant. Anybody gonna say, well, it's a head gasket messed up. Well, on this kind of engines, 4-cylinder, they have a engine oil cooler, which is this one here. See? It's this one. See? Well, it's a 50-50 chance that is the gaskets on the engine oil cooler. Why? Because this one goes in between the engine block and the exhaust manifold. So this gets really hot, and all that heat, it's right here. And it's rubber gaskets. Let me show you. It's kind of like these gaskets here, but the ones I'm talking about, they're inside the cooler. I'm gonna show you here. Let me take this one apart. Okay, so basically take this one out. See, right here. I think the problem is right here, because it feels like flat, like completely flat. This is right here, water circulation, and this is engine oil. So basically this gets mixed up right here. I think it's right here because it feels completely flat. Come to this side, I feel like a little bump, you know, like from the gasket. But right here, completely flat. And see, this one is completely flat. Right here, a little bit of bump. So we're gonna change this one, and I'll show you. I'm gonna clean all this up really good, and I'm gonna show you once it has the new O-rings or gaskets or whatever you call them. All right.